Have you ever had to make a dessert at the very last minute? You didn't have time to do it, and you certainly didn't have time to run to the grocery store when they may or may not have the ingredients you're looking for. Well, I have the perfect remedy for you. Just last weekend, we were invited to a barbecue, and I was faced with this exact dilemma. I had very little time to make anything, and I didn't have time to run to the grocery store. Usually, everybody has these main ingredients: flour, sugar, and milk. I have the perfect, the quickest, and the most delicious recipe: homemade cobbler. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350. You can also choose from a variety of fruits. There's blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, apples. I think the most popular, and certainly my family's favorite, is peaches. I just get sliced peaches in a regular size can. This is 15 ounces. You just want to mix your ingredients together. You can mix them in any order, but you want to mix them right in the dish that you're going to bake in. So you have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. See how easy that is? 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. Then you want to take your whisk and just blend that together really well. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. Either one will work. This is faster with a whisk. What you're looking for is a thick consistency. You want to get all 3 of those ingredients really well blended, and it'll be really runny at first. So you want to whisk it until it becomes thick and no lumps. That usually only takes about 60 seconds with the whisk, really fast. Once you've blended all that, you take your fruit. In this case, it's peaches. You do not want to just dump them straight in, because that's exactly how it will bake, in one blob right in the middle. Not good. So you take your fork and you just place them in here. Just make sure that they're even, you're consistent with how you place them. You know, you don't want them 2 or 3 on top of each other. And as you place them in the batter, they sink down to the bottom. And the batter that you just mixed up just kind of folds over top of the peaches on its own. So you do not need to mix your peaches into the batter. You just simply drop them into it. You want to set the remainder of your juice to the side, because we'll use that when we're done baking. We'll use that as a caramelize on the top. Very, very good. So once you have your fruit in here, you want to place it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Now, oven times will vary. So at about 20 minutes, you'll want to check it. You're looking for a light brown texture. If it gets too dark, it'll tend to dry out. So just get a light, even brown color to the top of that. Be perfect. I think it's about ready. Oh, it looks wonderful. See how you have that nice brown coat? That is perfect, and it smells delicious. Now, as I said earlier, if you want to caramelize the top just for that added sweetness, just spoon a little bit of the juice over the top. It's already done. And then just sprinkle a little bit of the sugar. Put it back in the oven for 5 minutes, and then it's done. My favorite way to enjoy cobbler is fresh out of the oven, hot, and place a spoonful of vanilla ice cream. So good that way. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Let's try it and see. Enjoy!